It is 9 o'clock on August the 23rd, and we're about to make a big decision.
So, we're crazy. We're going to go set up new bows.
We are going to get new bows.
And yeah, so we made this decision. We'll tell you all about it, but we know what, we're going to go get there and we're going to go set up our bows.
We're going to go.
We'll see you soon.
Yeah. Catch you in a bit. Coming together. Getting all this stuff put on. Sweet looking bow there, Gabe.
Hey, show them like the view of the shop.
Oh yeah, this is the fully involved outdoors here in Bussy. They got all broadheads. They got knocks. They got crossbow stuff, whatever you need. They got crossbow bullets. They got selections of arrows, Darton bows, obviously, and then a variety of sights and stuff. Come check it out. They got some e-bikes here.
So yeah, this
stands.
This is what we've been talking about.
So sweet place. They got seeds here here too as well. So if you need any food plot stuff, come check it out here.
About that here next within the week. So
yeah.
Catch us back.
Here's my bow. So I'm gonna get legs on it. I'm gonna switch out for all my stuff, but this is it right here. 33, sequel 33. Such a clean looking bow. So excited.
Okay, here we go. Look at this.
Yeah, I love the
OD green, Darton sequel.
Beautiful looking bow. Take it off. All right, Gabe. So
We're just testing.
what for reference? What is your old bow at?
Okay, so my old bow is
60
currently
pounds?
At 60 pounds. This is at 74, and this is how smooth this draw is. Joe will tell you more about the draw cycle and everything. Here we go.
Dang, you're
And
pulling.
that's 74.
That's crazy. Dang, these Dartons.
Dude, that wall.
Is it solid? Heck yeah.
And I've got the speed cams for it upstairs.
That's awesome. You get speed cams too, so you can get even more speed out of it. That's a mean looking setup right there. Yes, sir.
Here we go, Asher. Set up to the draw.
1 inch drawing plate.
74 pounds, 29 and a half.
No, it's gonna be longer.
Oh, yep.
Really? That's 70 pounds?
I know. I thought the same thing.
Man, that's a 70-pound limb set.
70-pound limb set.
Like, that does not feel much close to my 60-pound limb.
A lot of advancements in technology.
Yeah. That's crazy.
And
That
that's
is
where,
cool.
like, when you do that with the right outsert with the micro,
Yeah.
they just absolutely scream.
I'm gonna shoot these 5.0s, and they weigh right now just barely under 400 grains. So they're gonna freaking fly.
All right, Asher. What do you think? Here we go.
So excited. So nice.
He's got the, what color is this?
The King's Camo, right?
Kings.
Kings?
King's Camo. Got the limb legs on it. She's gonna be a shooter.
Here we go.
Yeah, this was mine.
Yeah.
All right, boys. So here we are. The Darton sequel. This is what I will be rocking this year. Really excited. Really excited for the upcoming deer I kill with this thing. And I'm gonna get it all set up tomorrow. It's a little late, but yeah, shout out to the boys at FIO for hooking us up. Darton sequel.
Yeah.
We got the Darton Consequence here.
Come and check them out.
Come check them out. Check this out. He's getting Asher's all set up here.
It's gonna be fun. We'll all be shooting Dartons. Mason got us all hooked.
Here we go.
Alrighty, first shot. Got it mostly set up. It's the next day because it was a little late last night. But walking up here and gonna Give her a rip. This is what she
The
looks
Darton
like.
sequel, boys. Check this out.
Freaking clean.
Here we go.
Alright.
I'm gonna bump the poundage down a little bit. It's what, 74?
74 right now. Still can drop pretty easily.
So but that's the thing. We go in shooting what, a bow tech, a bear.
Yeah.
I'm shooting 60 pounds, and I shoot 74. I just never thought I could pull us back. Well, it's just that draw cycle. You can get away with
The
it.
Bowtechs are nice, but these are nicer than the Bowtechs.
Yeah.
I gotta say.
I love you more than endless sea.
Yeah, it is.
Hey, dude, that sounds so different from my other bow.
Heck yeah, first shot. Now it's my turn to get mine set up.
Let me.
Do one more shot.
This sounds so fire.
Oh yeah. All right, take another shot.
I think I'm gonna bump down the poundage.
Yeah, good idea. Just make sure you don't blow out your shoulder for deer season.
Yeah.
Awesome. Here we go, folks. Out with the old, in with the new.
Do you like where the dealer is?
Sequel
Was it the
33.
center, like of the apex of the string?
Go get her sighted in. Looking,
Yeah, oh yeah.
just looking nice.
So what do you?
She is all dressed up and ready to go. Got her sighted in at 20 yards. So is this man right here. He's all good to go. Mason's here joining us. We are part of the Darton gang now, boys.
Darton gang, boys.
Heck yeah.
So here we go.
See old Gaber. I'm on camera now. Don't.
The whole feels like nothing you've ever experienced.
A little low, but
Well, I'm
pretty good.
still gotta get sighted in.
Yeah.